got so excited he tried to say something, he almost choked himself. Yeah.
Say more things, Jacob.
More. Come on.
Tell
Tell
me
me.
something good.
Tell me. What? What?
Do you like your
What?
dinosaur bib, baby?
What dinosaur bib? Do I have a dinosaur bib?
Good words.
Say some more. Say some more good stuff.
Lay it on me, brother.
Yeah. Ooh,
He loves the video camera. He's looking right at it.
What? It's got a big red light. Well, of course. What's not the light?
Oh, there's a
What's not the
light.
What is it, Jacob? What you see, baby?
What is that? What does your mama
Now he's
have?
focusing on the camera. He won't
I
talk.
know.
Talk to Nan. Hey.
Uh-oh. Well, I'll turn it off.